teams. Players from Ridge Hill, Sherwood, and the Adrian 2 teams. First we have number 4, Houston Bridgewater from Ridge Hill. From Ridge Hill, number 20, Aiden Humble. Number 22, Brett Luba. Number 25, Brian Porter. And number 56, Zeke Doty. And number 77, Miles Becker. That's the Ridge Hill All-Stars. Next from Sherwood, we have
November 21st, 2009, at Archie All-Star Game. Bryant's team in white. Onside kick.
onside kick.
Onside kick, nobody stepped on it.
All-Stars.
3rd and 7. Absolutely amazing. This is an all-star game, folks. Third and 5. Chalk up another one for Bryant.
35-yard touchdown run by Brian Porter.
4th and 17. Bryant back for the alleged punt. Bryant audibles. He's going to run it.
He better get it.
He better get it. He better go. There he goes. Can he beat him? Oh my goodness. Absolutely unreal.
Oh my gosh.
Incredible.
79-yard touchdown run by Brian Porter. His 3rd touchdown of the day.
He's tired now. He's gotta be.
They're going to kick it.
Backward.
Whoops. And he's down.
And the extra point attempt is no good.
4 seconds left, 4th down. Bryant back in punt formation. Oh gee, what is he ever going to do? Walks in for the touchdown.
Touchdown, White Squad. Number 25, Brian Porter goes 55 yards for the touchdown. His 4th touchdown of the day.
Bryant under center for the conversion. Oh, he stood up. And he made it in anyway.
It is good. So our halftime scores, the White Squad 32, Black Squad 6. There was a penalty.
Took the points off the board because of an illegal formation. And now we're going to go back another 5 yards.
The White Squad, that'll be
Back to the 12 for the conversion. This is the longest conversion in history.
This time it's going to be an offsides against the Black Squad, so they just gave the 5 yards back, so now it'll be from the 7.
Now we're at the 7. Roll out the pass. And he got it for the conversion.
And
finally.
Now the extra point attempt is good. There's no flags on the play, so halftime score 32-6.
Halftime stats for Bryant. 5 carries, 254 yards, 4 touchdowns. Touchdowns of 83, 79, 55, and 35. Bryant back under center. Gonna tuck and run. And he did it again. Did it again.
Touchdown, White. Number 25, Bryant Quarter goes 32 yards for the touchdown.
Watch the pass. Get Bryant.
Bryant with an interception. Oh my gosh.
Interception by Bryant Quarter goes 51 yards for the touchdown with 6th touchdown of the day. Final score is White Squad 24, Black Squad 12. Again, we'd like to congratulate the Richland Tigers on their Super Bowl win last week and congratulate all the players for being on the All-Star squad, so we'd like to thank the parents and grandparents for a good season this year. This is the final game of the South 71 League season. Hope to see you all again next year. Thank you for all your hard work and dedication to this, and this would not have been possible without all the parents and grandparents and everybody else involved.
Bryant, you just scored 6 touchdowns in the All-Star game. What are you going to do next?
I'm going to Disney World.